Last month, the University of North Texas lost a lawsuit in federal court against the Texas Public Policy Foundation, acting on behalf of the Young Conservatives of Texas Student Organization. U.S. Federal Judge Sean Jordan, a Trump-era appointee, ruled that charging higher tuition for out-of-state students than Texas students with undocumented immigrant status is unconstitutional. The ruling could cause a big increase for students depending on the in-state tuition plan. UNT student Juan J.P. Grimaldo spoke about his reaction to the new ruling.
A class for me, just a class, runs close to $1,500. Just one. I have not asked for a loan. I have not received scholarships. Everything has come out of my pocket. And it comes out of the sweat of my forehead.
According to numbers available from the UNT website, graduate students at UNT who currently pay an average of over $22,000 a year could see an increase of almost $9,000 to over $31,000. Undergrad students could see a spike of over $12,000 a year when their tuition goes from $26,000 up to $38,000 on average. While the defendants in the case are celebrating victory, critics of the ruling are calling the result political. Thomas Saenz, president of the Mexican-American Legal Defense and Education Fund, criticized the ruling, stating, quote, "It's hard not to see it as a Trump judge overreaching to try to change long-standing law in the state of Texas." Saenz also stated it's obviously a political lawsuit, and granting that political lawsuit is what's disturbing.
I do feel like at some point there's motivation in that. I mean, you look at the judge's background and you see it, it's like, okay, well, there's no doubt, And at some point you have to ask yourself how many things or how far can you go until a stereotype becomes true? And in this case, I definitely believe so.
Reporting from UNT, I'm Sebastian Nava.